Your CEO will be saying this to your teams within the next year if it's not already happening. Before asking for more headcount and resources, teams must demonstrate why they cannot get what they want done using AI. Well, don't ask for more headcount and resources. Just have your teams use Storytell to get what they want done using AI. But teams work with so much messy, unstructured data all day long. Marketing is sending out event attendee feedback reports. The chief of staff is sharing the company's priorities. Sales teams have win-loss reports. The product team is trying to understand the most requested features. And let's face it, without the narrative, data is just noise. What seem like simple questions can be impossibly hard to answer. Is the company going to meet its goals for the year? Is the product team building the right features? Is the sales team selling the right things? And why are some salespeople so much more effective than others? If it's hard for the humans to wade through this data swamp, how is AI possibly supposed to help? Well, I'm Drodio, the CEO, and I'd like to introduce you to Storytell, the enterprise AI platform that transforms your messy, unstructured data into key insights so you can craft an optimal strategy that drives actionable results. Our users tell us they feel limitless using Storytell, and I'd like to show you why. Getting started is really easy. You can start with just a couple of files, and you can upload them right here. We also have integrations coming, so you can point Storytell at all that messy, unstructured data, or you can just paste content right in. Let's start by uploading a couple files. I'm going to upload these 4 files that I was just trying to work with into Storytell. Now I can start to ask questions like, is the product team building the right products to meet our company priorities? Maybe I'll add based on the performance of our sales report summary. Storytell is a fully agentic system that will decide what tools to choose to get the job done, what data to ingest from, what outputs to create. It'll go and do the work that I need to get the answers that I'm looking for. Now I have an AI partner with context on all my messy data. I might say that I want to edit this in chat to get more detail here. Storytell is pointing out that the AI-powered tax optimization strategic priority is being followed, but maybe I want to review the priorities and I want to say, give me a specific set of recommendations for the product team to optimize the tax optimization feature set. I could also download this artifact that I created so that I can share it outside of Storytell. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to Storytell, including concepts, which is a whole new view into your data. I'm used to having to wade through all this data, and like we just saw, Storytell can make that a lot more effective. When I upload data into Storytell, Storytell explodes the assets apart and restructures them as concepts. I'm looking here at a concept graph created by Storytell of those same 4 assets. Except now I can see the narrative, the main themes in all those otherwise messy and incompatible documents. Storytell has automatically labeled them for me. I can also label them myself if I want to have specific groupings of documents. We already saw in Storytell's initial report that the direct alignment between the most requested user feature, automated tax reports, and the company's strategic priority of AI-powered tax optimization suggests a responsive product development approach. Well, maybe I really want to double down on the AI capabilities. And so now I can take this concept, AI and automation capabilities, and I can see what other concepts it is most related to. Personalized investment recommendations. Now this AI and automation capabilities becomes a queryable object. I am able to see how this object was created from the unstructured data. I can see that this document was the document that created this concept. I could subscribe to this concept. Anytime there's new, messy, unstructured data that comes into Storytell that has to do with this, I can be alerted. I can also start to create repeatability, scalability, and automation in my work. Maybe I want to say that I want to run this prompt whenever there is new source data. I can change this to say, run it whenever there's new information about AI automation capabilities. And now maybe I want to send an SMS or an email or I want to create an update to this document whenever new information about that concept comes in from any messy underlying data source. Or maybe I want to send this to some system of record, like to Slack or to Salesforce. Actions allow teams to scale themselves, scale their output, make things repeatable, really make AI a partner. So that's Storytell. We have very, very simple, transparent pricing and very, very powerful enterprise plans, including the ability to embed Storytell in your own applications, bring your own LLM API keys, and much more. And it all runs automatically on the best foundational large language models, or for an enterprise, the ones that you're already running internally. As an enterprise, you have the ability to restrict model access, bring your own model. You have full role-based access control, the ability for you to have granular billing, even custom instructions for users. So if you're an analyst, Storytell will prioritize data-driven insights with statistical validity. If you're in customer success, Storytell will maintain empathetic, solution-oriented communication, etc. So that's Storytell. We really look forward to working with you.